Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson, and I just want to do a quick modeling minute with you about a new find I have. I call it the Holy Grail to me. And it's this vintage 1961 Aurora McDonnell F-110 Spectre, which the Air Force was going to add to its Century series of fighter aircraft. It first flew on December 30th of 1960 for the Air Force. And in 1962, the Joint Services Agreement stated that all military aircraft would have the same designation depending on their type of aircraft and manufacturer, etc. So this became the F-4 Phantom II in both the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Marine Corps, and the U.S. Navy. This kit is very hard to find. They only made a few of them as the 110, and then they had to drop it, of course, and they switched the box, and it became the F-4 Phantom. Almost an identical box, but then F-4. So to find this, it was a real treat. I'm going to give this to Eric to use on his show before I build it. I can't wait to make it. I've always wanted this kit. And in the near future, I'm going to do some other releases of some other very cool vintage kits that I've managed to find. I've made that my quest, is to find these old vintage kits and give them life. So everybody, have a great day, and we will talk to you later.